Hi, I'm Noel. Part of my mission is to get good psychological information out there to you so that you can learn more about yourself and about other people and how to live a psychologically healthy and happy life.
How does you, talk about mental health struggles without feeling judged or ashamed? It's a challenging one because part of the symptom of being ill is to have negative thoughts about yourself. So it's actually part of the diagnosis of what's going on. It's about learning how to manage things and there's a thing in cognitive behavioral therapy which is called cognitive restructuring. So, understanding that certain types of thoughts are unhelpful and are actually part of your illness is a really important thing. So, I, for example, have inside my head, I have a thought shredder, a bit like my paper shredder. So there's got a paper shredder in my office. When I finish with a piece of paper or I think it's no use, put it in there and it shreds it away. I have the same thing for my thoughts, what are called hot thoughts in CBT. So these are thoughts that are not helpful, that are just signs of illness or defenses. And one of those thoughts might be, I'm a bad person because I'm ill. And that's a very typical thing to feel when you're ill, that, or there's something wrong with me, I'm broken in some way, I'm deficient, other people can cope better than me, etc., etc. These types of hot thoughts are actually just symptoms of your illness. And my advice is go onto Amazon, buy yourself a little mind shredder, pop it inside, plug it in. When you have those thoughts, identify them and then pop it in that shredder because they're not helpful for you. The other thing to do is talk to people around you and get their views. And maybe they also need to be educated and be kinder and more thoughtful. In general, most of us will find our friends and family are a lot kinder to us than we are to ourselves. There's an old saying, if I talked to other people the way I talk to myself, I'd have no friends at all. So learning kindness and compassion is often something you get from the people around you. So those types of thoughts which say I'm bad and wrong because I'm ill are the types of thoughts that stop us from telling people what's going on. But as soon as we learn to ignore them and we tell people what's going on, what's the reaction you're likely to get? Well, the reaction you're likely to get is kindness, warmth, support, love, concern, offers of help, because people are not inside your head. They're looking at somebody that they love and who is struggling. That's the truth here. And so let them in. Let them in and let them tell you how important you are and how special you are. And then that can help defeat those thoughts as well.
If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.